Hi, my name is Betty, and I build apps and applications. And I love to teach, and I built my own video studio so I can do demos to try to help people learn more about AI. I love AI, and I hope you'll love AI with me. Today, we're going to talk about prompt engineering. Now, let me forewarn you, there is a pending thunderstorm. There is a lot of traffic here in Vietnam. So you may hear some things in the background, but I love natural light like that. So I'm going to try to race through this and see if we can get it done. So enjoy. Let's get into it. So prompt engineering is basically just, there's four pillars of prompt engineering. Prompt engineering is just instructions. That's all it is. If you know how to write instructions, you can do prompt engineering. So there's four main parts of it, and there's four main parts to a prompt. The first part is persona. Whenever you write a prompt and you put it in a program, in a vibe coding program, Cursor, Claude, Codex, ChatGPT, Gemini, you need to tell it what is its persona. You are a master web developer, would be an example. So anytime you write a prompt, you want to tell the program that you doing who you want it to act like. I want you to act like a mathematician. I want you to act like a writer. You want to tell it what its role is. That's persona, one. Two, the purpose. You need to tell it what is the app that it's building. That's given, right? Well, we're gonna try to build a weather app in the middle of a thunderstorm. Ironically, I want to build a weather app. Okay, so it has to know what it's building. That's two. Three is UI flow. This sounds complicated, but it's not. All you're doing is telling the program, hey, how does this application go? The user logs in. You would type this. The user logs in. They type in their zip code, and they hit a button, and it would tell it what the weather is. You just gave it the flow of your weather app. Okay? Now, the fourth one is your tech stack. Now, this sounds, but it's not. Let's break it down. JavaScript, you would say, I want to use JavaScript in this build. We'll say Claude. Claude, I want to use JavaScript in this build because I have buttons and I have forms. Whenever you have buttons and forms in an application or in a web app, you want to use JavaScript because it handles buttons and forms. And you say, well, I want to use React. And React is very popular. And what it does is organize screens. So the user might see the login screen. Then they'll see the screen to choose what they want. And then they might see the outcome screen. So React is like the foundation. It organizes all the cool code, all the logic into screens where you can see. The last one is Tailwind CSS. And basically, it just make your app look pretty. What color you want the buttons? What color do you want the background? That's what Tailwind's CSS is. So you would say, hey, Claude, I want to use JavaScript, I want to use React, and I want to use Tail CSS. So now the programmer knows. Now, here is our prompts. Persona, purpose, flow, and tech stack. You would cut and paste this into a coder. So we're going to use Claude desktop code. We're going to use that. But first, let me grab it. I'm going to go and just copy it. I got it right here. This is our prompt, right? And whenever you do anything, any type of vibe coding, you want to know the basics, how to write a prompt. And this is the four basic things. If you can get this and expand on it, you will be good at building applications because you'll know how to talk to the coder. So I'm going to jump over here. Here is Claude desktop. I'm going to encode. I'm going to see if I can drop it in there. I had some thunder. Oh, Lord, I hope I make it. Let's see. There it is. Let's see. Can it build it? All right. Let's see. Can it build it? Let's see. Let's see. Okay. So it put it up there. It took it. All right. And I'll tell it, keep it simple. Because we're in a hurry. Keep it simple. We want a weather app in the middle of a thunderstorm. But seriously, this is it. Prompt engineering is being able to tell these coders, these different programs, how you want things. And I hope I hope you saw what I did. So it was going to ask me a few questions because the way Claude Code does, it doesn't do anything until you tell it to do anything. Okay? And I will tell it to keep this simple because we don't have a lot of time. We're running fast. This is my first major demo and I want it to come out right. If you have any questions about prompt engineering, about creating apps, here you go. This is a little more sophisticated, but it's good to know. If you understand what I just told you, the 4 pillars of prompt engineering, you can write and build anything. Okay? I want you to know that. And this is so fun. I have so much fun doing demos. Oh my God. A weather app in the middle of a weather storm. I may have to run indoors with my app. We'll see. We'll see. Oh man. Come on, CSS. Let's go. Let's go. We need you to hurry up. It's gonna pour down raining. And I'm gonna try to have this built before. Only Betty would build an application in the middle of a thunderstorm in Vietnam, who's known for having drenching rainstorms. But we're building, right? We're sitting here, we're building. And guess what, guys? I got a little handicap, so I ain't gonna be able to get up as fast as I would want to. So while that's doing that, I'm gonna now try to get myself in position if I gotta run out of here, that I can run out of here and not get killed by a lightning strike. I doubt that. I shouldn't even joke about that. But let me tell you, building applications. Look, I built this Studio U, which is my video application where I can record the screen and record me. And look at the fruits it's already delivering. Here we are trying to build an app, and it needs to hurry up and build it. Let's go, 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 go. I don't know if we're gonna make it, guys. I'm hoping that we make it. So, a little bit about me. I started out in tech support, and I fell in love with coding. And when AI came out, it gave us an opportunity for all us people who wasn't perfect coders to have an opportunity to build applications. And I have a lot of stuff in my head. I want to get it out to you so you learn how to do it, and so people can build things. If you don't want to do it, you can also have your kids do it, right? So it's gonna open it up here, and it's gonna do some testing. That's what I like about Claude. People are like, should I get Claude? Yeah, it's $20 a month. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's worth it, guys. It's so worth it. I'm gonna let it open up. It's gonna open up the browser on the right, and it's worth it because you can come in here and put a good prompt in here and really, really, really learn and really, really build some cool stuff for you and your family, for your business, for whatever you want to do. And I hope people that take us, people who do these little demos, uh, you know, take this stuff, learn this stuff, do this stuff, and learn how to build applications. So I'm using Claude Code Desktop. It also has a CL. I tried to do it with the CLI. It didn't work, but now it can do it with the desktop. So hopefully in about the next 2 or 3 minutes, it can do it. But I tell you what I would like you guys to do. Make some prompts. Think of some idea you want to build and make a prompt. Tell it the persona, okay? Tell it the purpose of the app, right? Tell it how it's supposed to flow. And then tell it the tech stack. So you know what the tech stack is. Tell it that and see what happens when you make a prompt. See what happens when you make a prompt. See if you can get an application. I'm hoping to use this. I'm hoping for you to see my little weather app. It's building it, so it says it's loading. I want you to at least see it before this storm comes down and get me. Let's see. I think I got about maybe 10 minutes. Maybe 10 minutes. I don't think it's going to take us 10 minutes to build this. Um, by the way, if you want to write a prompt, if you want to build something, you can go in ChatGPT and say, write a prompt for this. And I'll show you that while we're waiting on Claude. Right click, I will go to ChatGPT and I will say, write a prompt. So you don't even have to write the prompt for a weather app. Now remember, it's gonna write the app. It's gonna write it. Look at that. It just gave you look, and then look at it. Look, it tells you the app flow. Now, did it tell it what it is? Right? So it wrote it, build a responsive weather app. Looking at. So there go your app flow. The user opens the app, enters the zip code. Look at that. The tech stack, there's your tech stack. React, building, right? JavaScript, tailwinds, the features. So it says the features. You can do the features of the flow. Now I'm going to say, hey, always tell the builder who they are. Master web developer. You see? Is that correct? Again, excuse my spelling. Yes. When you're writing prompts for AI coding builders, it helps to start with a persona. Isn't that what we covered? Let's just check to see if our app is ready. Let's go. Okay. Is it on my host? Browser. Is it ready? So it's doing whatever it does. Okay, it looks like it's gonna open it in the browser. That's what I wanted it to do, open it here. So you guys could see it and we can run it right quick. But did you see what I did with ChatGPT? So you can actually have ChatGPT write prompts for whatever idea you want to use. Okay, all right, let's hurry up. We're getting ready to get rained on. Can you open it now? Open it now. Okay. This is simple. Demo. Let's get it done. Sometimes you have to speed up these things. They want to do too much. Just do a simple app. All right, it's going to go into a whole lot of stuff. Well, we'll sit here as long as we can. Somebody's still swimming in the pool. You got to be kidding me. A lightning strike come down. Ah, there's our weather app, guys. Oh, thank God. All right, so I'm going to enter my code 60637. Let's see if it works. Search weather. Ah, there you go, Chicago. So we took a prompt, took us forever, and guess what? We made an app from a prompt. So guys, this is a it's been a marathon for me. But I hope that you guys understand prompt engineering. Please look at this video again. Write down the notes for prompt engineering, and I want you to build something. Have fun. It's still working. I'm getting out of here before I get blown up. Okay? Peace. From Vietnam, peace.